Hi peeps, Zina here. Last time I saw you guys, we were shopping at Spirit Halloween together. That was such a fun day. You guys, I do work a lot. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I am a CCA and I work for the US Postal Service, and I work 6 days a week in Arizona, and it's intensely hot. I really don't wear makeup, and on my one day off a week, if I'm not filming videos, I am just relaxing and just laying on the couch and not doing much of anything. I've still been ordering stuff in the hopes of filming videos and in the hopes of trying these new products out, but I just haven't had a chance. So I've had this little box collection, growing on my bookshelf, and I really just wanted to dive into these packages today. I've ordered these things so long ago that I don't remember what I ordered anymore. And it's not like a braggy sort of thing. It's actually kind of like self-deprecating because I bought these things, I don't know what they are, and honestly I don't want them to expire because I really want to use them and I want to share them with you today. So we're doing an unboxing today. It's a mystery unboxing because I honestly don't remember what I ordered. That being said, I do know that everything I ordered is vegan and cruelty free, and it probably has like a spooky sort of a gothy sort of edge to it, as you guys know. We're just gonna dive right in, you guys. I'm gonna go in with this mystery box 2-piece glass cup. All right, I got these two little white boxes here. Ooh, almost dropped it. I got these two boxes here. Open the okay, I know what this is. So I ordered some I ordered some skincare for the face. This is a cupping device. This is a cupping device. And so basically you create a suction and you suck your your fine lines and wrinkles with this cupping mechanism. I've never done anything like this before, and I mean, in theory it should work. Oh my gosh. So it's basically ever so gently cupping my skin, and I think it will, I don't know, I think it would be beneficial to use this on my fine lines and wrinkles, maybe to create a little cell regeneration underneath my skin, deep underneath my textured skin. Okay, and then this is another one with a larger cup, if you will. Oh wow. So by opening these parcels, I'm forcing myself to actually use what I spent my hard-earned money on. So here are my two little face suction cups. I'm pretty sure I got these on Amazon, and I will put the links for everything down below. This I do know will be an eyeshadow palette from Spoiled Lips Cosmetics. I am in the bi-monthly palette club. I don't like to look and see what palettes are coming out every other month, so I have no clue what this is, but I'm gonna open it up with you guys. Ooh, okay. Has like a tiki theme to it. Open this up here. Ooh, ooh, wow. Oh, these are fun colors. What is that? This is like a striped golden, I guess, highlighter. We have some shimmer shades. We have some matte shades here. Very colorful, as to be expected in a tiki themed palette. Love this very, very much. We have some neutrals. We have some warm tones. We have some cool tones up top. Very pretty. Love it. I have this little package next. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Oh, I ordered two things from them. Okay, this is... I'm glad I opened this because not only did I forget that I ordered this, but I really need this in my life right now. This is from... I ordered these two little products from a company called Peace Out. Maybe you've seen their products in... I think they sell them in Sephora, perhaps Ulta, but I know I definitely saw this in Sephora. but it's really fun, sort of youthful themed product line, skincare line. And I say youthful because it's, you know, it's cute with the peace sign, peace out, you know. I like the concept of it because I'm very, like, you know, peace, love kind of a lady. So this appeals to me. But this is a retinol face stick. As I mentioned, I work outdoors, so it's really nice to come home after being out on the street in my postal truck with all the dirt pollutants flying around. It's nice to exfoliate my skin when I come home and then put something really nice and nourishing onto my face. So this is the Peace Out Retinol Stick. I'm gonna take that little top off. There we go. And this is it here. Ooh. 0 scent. So basically, it feels very glidey and it feels very light. What is it though? What is this retinol stick? It has 3% encapsulated retinol blend, fruit enzyme blend, vitamin C, and astaxanthin. Okay. Made with only soothing, good for skin properties. We left out the bad stuff like fragrances, silicones, parabens, and put in the good stuff. So this is kind of neat. It tells you what all those little ingredients are that I just mentioned to you. The one I could not pronounce, xanthin, is a powerful antioxidant that helps visibly smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while guarding against external elements. Oh my goodness. I am so glad that I ordered this. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to use this. I will be using this tonight. Yay. Peace Out Dark Spots. It's 12 dissolving micro needling brightening dots. And it has niacinamide and tranexamic acid. I don't care what it has, as long as it gets rid of some of these dark spots. Now, I have been using stuff for my skin, but I've never tried any kind of micro needling technology. What I'm going to do is incorporate these items into my skincare routine immediately. And oh, it comes in these little individual packages. I don't want to open this up right now, but I will be using these and I will let you know how they're working. I have 2 boxes from, I don't want to put these upside down, from Creature Cosmetics. Ooh. I have no idea what I ordered. I know I've said that throughout this video, but I literally cannot remember what is in these packages. So let's go for it. I love that this company has like this sort of Ouija board themed packaging. I know they spend some extra money on this, so it's really nice. It's a very special touch, and you know, of course, it appeals to my sort of gothy glam ghoul aesthetic. This is VHS tape. You know what this is? This is tape to put onto your eyes when you're doing an eye look or a wing. So this is the tape. Oh, that's so neat. What else is here? This little bag. This looks toxic on it. Oh. Okay, I think this is a lipstick. Let me see. It is. This is a Monster Lips liquid lipstick. And this is in shade, I can't read it. Nosferatu. Ooh, my favorite horror movie of all time, by the way. Oh my God. Oh, that's great. I have been looking for a really nice black liquid lip like this because the one that I'm using has long since expired and I needed a new one. So this is great. Yay! So happy to have that going into Halloween season. Oh my goodness. Well, this is a big little box. What is this? What even is this? This is, oh my gosh, this is embalming fluid. 3 all new shades. There's methanol, phenol, and formaldehyde. Oh my gosh, what? Oh, look! You guys, these are some more liquid lips. This is a minty green, it's a fuchsia, and this is like a lavender. Oh, that's neat. Oh my gosh. What else? Oh, a Creature Cosmetics keychain. Ooh. another Creature Cosmetics keychain. One is, what did I order? Okay, one is kind of rubbery, and this one is like a hard plastic. All right, cool. Oh, and this is another keychain. Now this, I don't know if I ordered this. It looks like a little hearse. This might be a free gift that came with my purchase. So yeah, that might be a free gift, but it's like, it looks like a little hearse. Oh, that's so cool. All right, and then of course I have their business card and of course all their socials on the back of, I will put this down below. I have another Creature Cosmetics box. This one's rather large, so I'm super excited to see what's in here. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. I know I keep saying that. I'm boring myself with saying that over and over again, but look at this. You guys, this is their Graveyard Glitters collection. Ooh. Ooh, going into the holiday season. I really wanted glitters to play with. So here we go with their little glitter set. These look like a gel glitter. I'm going to open one up in a second. Ooh, that's nice. Aqua. Oh, wow. Okay, I don't know which one. All right, I'll sample the one I have in my hand. All right, let's see here. Yeah, it's a gel glitter. I don't know if you guys have ever worked with this kind of a product, but I do like the gel glitters. Let me show you. They tend to adhere longer, I guess, than like a little flaky powdery glitter sort of comes off and like flies all over the house. But these tend to stay where you put them. Where do I want to? Let's see here. I don't want to use too much, but I'm going to put maybe a little bit like right here. And like right here. And then, ooh, yep. It's been a long time since I've purchased glitters. For me, they last a very, very long time. So for me to order glitter is a special occasion and not something I do often. Casket-shaped packaging glitters is just so cool. I'm so excited about that. What is this? Mortuary mascara. Yes. And it's in the shade Death with a little hearse on it. Oh yes, I need new mascara. So, oh my God, I've been needing new mascara. So this is great. Oh wow. That is a big size mascara right there. Wow, let's see. Ooh. Yes. Oh, that's exciting, you guys. Now, this isn't going to be a try-on video because I didn't know what I ordered. So I didn't want to assume that I purchased cosmetics, but evidently I did. So that's great. Last but not least is something that I was suckered into buying through the creative advertising skills of social media and the ploys that they use in which to suck you in to buying something enticing that will improve your life. You see a lot of that kind of stuff on TikTok. But anyway, I got suckered into buying this thing. This is the muscle roller. I'm sure if you spend any time on social media, you've seen this thing advertised. Apparently you can use it on your neck, on your stomach, on your legs. I bought it for my legs because, you guys, I'm very content in my own skin. I'm very happy with the fact that I do work sort of a physical job and it keeps me in shape and I'm very active. However, this thing is advertised to deal with cellulite, or like the actual texture of your skin on your legs and your arms and whatnot. And you know, I do have a little bit of cellulite, and oh great, it comes already assembled, so that's fun. And on the back it looks like they give you like little instructions. Let me pop it out of this package. Okay, wow. Okay, So it seems pretty rigid. Ooh, okay, and the rollers, I was curious about this. It looks almost painful in the commercials. I thought this was like a hard plastic, but these are actually rubbery. So I'm gonna go ahead and, let's see here. See how I, all right, I'm gonna up and down. That's my, it's quite soothing actually. That was very pleasant. Oh, let me see. I wonder if I could. I mean, that's an interesting sensation. I don't hate it. Will it work on my arms? Yeah. So apparently the idea is you want to use this to like knead your skin and sort of like activate and rejuvenate the cells deep down inside. We'll see if it works. I'm going to give this a go and I'm going to try this. I'm very, very, very curious to see if this works. All right, guys, that is my mystery unboxing today. I hope it was enjoyable to watch. I had a lot of fun filming this. It was really, really fun seeing what I spent money on and had forgotten completely about. So thank you for watching my channel. And if you feel so inclined, perhaps you will subscribe to my channel. I'm a vintage gothy glam ghoul who likes to play with vegan and cruelty-free cosmetics, skincare products, recipes, and I get super excited for Halloween. So if all of that stuff resonates with you, then please consider subscribing. Thank you guys for joining me. Take care of yourselves, take care of your loved ones, take care of your hearts, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.